Okay, day 2 of China. It's 7:14 a.m. Buti na lang nag-pack na ako kagabi kasi 7:30 out to be in the lobby. Diretso na kami sa headquarters ng Alibaba where we have to shoot some content. Hindi ko alam kung mag-live kami. And then we have a flight to Guangzhou in the afternoon. We're meeting Boss Conan, and then tomorrow is our live for Sanda. I've been up since 6:45. Si Lawrence, kakagising niya lang ngayon. Hindi ko siya matawagan. Yung alarm niya rinig sa hallway. Hindi siya nagigising. Sabi ko, may 16 minutes ka to pack your stuff and let's go. So yan, finishing touches. Bihis na rin ako din. Let's go. Good morning. Welcome to the work life. So car spotting, ang pinakamadami dito, BYD. And then Tesla. Konti lang Japanese. Mostly mga Lexus, konting Toyota. Isa pa lang nakikita kong Honda. BMW medyo marami din. Dito na tayo sa warehouse sa loob ng Alibaba. Hindi ko alam kung anong sabi nila, content daw dito. Anong eco-content? Hindi ko alam. Then magaling naman tayo sa ganyan. Isip na lang.
Bakit ba nga sabi niya bawal mag-shoot?
Sa loob, bawal, may part na bawal daw mag-shoot. Ang gulo. Hindi ko alam.
早上好，中国！现在我有冰淇淋，我很喜欢冰淇淋，但是速度与激情就比冰淇淋速度与激情。
So, what kind? This is Miss Ivy. What video do we need to do? Di niya din alam. I say we also don't know. So, ayun, tinur nila kami sa loob ng factory. Clothes.
Alam mo, very robotic.
Oo, mahal kasi ang labor dito. Jisoo life. Wow! Cold. Very cold.
Hunting.
Huh?
Hunting.
Hunting? Hunting.
Yeah, that means very cold.
Hunting.
Hunting.
2,000 something.
No.
2,600? This one?
2,000.
600 pesos.
2,600 yan?
Sale, nung sale natin.
Shots forgot na eh.
Yeah, very cold, like Bing Chilling. So, nandito kami somewhere sa Miss City para tea. Mukhang sa kanila din tong shop. So, tsatsaan muna tayo. Makakatikim talaga tayo ng Chinese tea. 1, 2, 3. Hi, Philippines!
Hi.
Hello!
我们今生注定是沧桑，苦之来。
Okay, so nandito na ako sa CR ng tea house. First of all, I'm very happy na may toilet na. But second, ano yan? Kung alam niyo guys, please comment kung ano yan. Hindi ko alam kung ano yan.
非常好，正好你都会学，都会讲中文，我们就不需要讲 English。
Talk to them low, talk to them. You.
我不知道。
Me, 我爱你 everybody.
我爱你。
我爱你.
I love you.
Yeah. Mga kababayan, mali po ang pagkasabi natin dito. Hindi po siya siopaw. It's sobaw. Sobaw? Sobaw.
Eh, ang feng shui, ang sinasabi niya nga feng shui.
Feng shui.
Feng shui yan.
Feng shui. Say it. So may pasalubong.
So, may pasalubong na tayo for mom and dad.
Yeah. What did you get?
Tea.
Tea. Which
Just
one?
Hong Cha.
Yes.
Black tea.
Was the one we drank?
This is the one we drank?
Right?
Again?
I asked her kasi to recommend ito daw.
Okay. 谢谢谢谢 Thank you, thank you. Ivy, thank you, thank you. 谢谢谢谢 Okay. 谢谢 Thank you, thank you. 我们今生疏的身上上 Would you like Bye bye, thank you.
谢谢
Bye Dodo.
谢谢再见多多
我们今生注定是沧桑，苦之来要笑着走过呀。
So, na-move kasi flight namin ng 5:30. So, nasa Westlake na kami. Pasyal-pasyal muna. 12 o'clock pa lang ngayon. And, magbo-boating muna tayo. So, boating tayo. Ikot tayo sa Westlake.
我们今生注定是
翻身了。古代的时候，男尊女卑。我说怎么了？他说这老婆啊烧。
So, nandito na tayo sa headquarters ng Tea Partner. Yung maleta na binibenta ni Mama for how long? Ang tahimik nila, nakakaya mag-ingay. Tea Partner. Tea Partner. Tea. May seatbelt yung upuan. Ibig sabihin wild yung pagkain. Hindi siya mabantot. Creative lang yung amoy niya. Okay, lunch. Lunchtime. It's 1:55. Kakain na muna. Nandatambay sa Tea Partner office. Mag-edit muna ako doon. And then flight is at 5. No. Have to be sa Have to be sa airport ng Nasa mawalan talaga kami. Yung milk tea nila ganyang palaki. Cheers. So may pinapakita sa amin ngayon kalaban ng Jisoo Life. Kika. Much stronger, smaller, and yung pinaka mababa yung setting, mas tahimik. tahimik. Pero pag nilaksan mo,
This motor, which operates at over 110,000 revolution per minute, and the one.
yeah, same?
Same.
Same.
Yeah, the same. So the
Testing.
this is our first version.
Oh, my hair is drying already. Abot pa rin. Let's try hot. Okay, that's warm. Hot. Abot yung hot.
It gets warm.
And try this one is 13.
You have a cut?
Yeah, I have 2.
2.
Yeah.
Me, I have no cut.
Really, happy birthday.
Oh, thank you. It's birthday together.
Yeah. For memory, right?
Yeah, happy birthday.
Oh,
Okay, could they give me a new one? This one? Okay, better. Thank you. So, ang dami kasi naming pasalubong and of course, yung aking Iron Man na heart. Bibigyan ka namin ng maleta. Okay, moment of truth. Kasha ba? Hey! Wait, extend? No need?
Yeah, yeah. Does it?
Okay, okay. Oh. Oh. Extend. Oh. So, yung luma-luma kong blower napahiya dahil sobrang ganda nung sinample kanina. Binigyan kami ng space gray. Iwan ko na yung luma na naiwan sa akin ng makeup artist dati. Iwan ko na, bye-bye na. So, niregalo ko sa kanila. Sabi, trade. Yeah. So, kanila na. Thank you!
I will remember you. Will you remember me?
May daw ng si Bago na bago nilang tumblers, new collection. Thank you. So, ibibigay ko yung luma. Oh, here you go. Yeah, happy birthday. 祝你生日快乐。
Happy birthday too. 祝你生日快乐 too. Okay.
恭喜发财。Okay, bye-bye. Thank you again. Thank you. 谢谢. Bye-bye. Thank you.
See you next time.
Enjoy?
Not bad so far.
Yeah.
Considering our trip is cramped with activities, okay siya. Happy.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Say ingat. Okay, thank you. Jarvis, close the mask. Look. So, delayed kami hanggang 8 p.m. ng boarding, 7 o'clock ngayon. So, upload muna ako ng mga teasers na shoot and then, ikot-ikot muna kami sa other side ng airport. Ni hao. 8:20.
Estimated time 8:20 daw, Dad.
Sobra tayong delayed. So, nagbigay sila ng free dinner. Boarding. What's going on? You tired?
No.
You okay?
I'm okay.
Okay. This is Boss Conan, our boss in TikTok, Expedia. This is our idol, Teddy Bear. Dito tayo ngayon, Hilton Hotel. Check-in, rest. Bye, Boss Conan! Okay, guys, wait lang. Tignan nyo to. First time ko makakita ng ganito kahit saan. Wait lang ha. Oh, hey! Oh! Okay, so nasa hotel na tayo and pinasalubungan kami ni Boss Conan ng KFC. KFC pero Chinese. So titikman natin to. Sabi ni Lo, super sarap daw. Okay, so first. Ay, para may spices yung chicken. Walang gravy. Lo! Chicken. Okay naman. Sarap. Okay, so may spicy chicken sila na parang glazed. Try natin. Wow. Para siyang yung sauce ng kimchi. Black bean pie. Ito ba yun? Lumalaban sa apple pie ng McDo. 8 out of 10.